Uh, Welcome to another video. Uh, we're at a place called Oak Ridge Park. And I'm waiting for a freight train. There's one all the way up there. Can't see because of the glare of the sun, but probably, I'm not too sure. See? Listen, there's a rumble. I'm not sure what train it is. It could be either a CSX or Norfolk Southern. I'm not sure. This is an old Lehigh Valley line. So I think it's owned by CSX or Norfolk Southern. I'm not really too sure. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for the train to arrive. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. I see it. It's coming. Wait, is there another one coming from both sides? Better. Maybe we'll be lucky and we'll see two trains. This one's coming up a little too slow. Hey, at least I get to see a train. Oh, it's a CSX. It's a CSX train. I believe it's heading north towards Trenton. Oh, this is exciting. This is the first time I'm ever doing this. Yeah! I sound like a little kid right now, but I don't care. That was cool. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna wait here just a little bit longer because I heard another train horn that way. So. Oh, I'm sorry for the sun glare. I heard another train horn that way, so I'm gonna see if another train comes. Let me go to a spot and actually see. I'll upload this video on both my channels, so it'll be on the Unknown Explorer channel and my other channel called Max's Adventures. Well, I mean, it's not really an adventure, but you get the idea. I might move up to this spot because it might be a little bit better. Well, actually, no. There's all these tall weeds, so. Oh, sorry for the camera. Another train! Another train! Oh, sorry for shaky. I'm not sure if it's another train. Yeah, it's another train. I can see the lights. All right, we'll just have to wait here a little bit longer so we see the next train. So I think this next train is either a CSX train or a Norfolk Southern train. I don't think Norfolk Southern runs through here, so just have to wait a little bit longer. If another train comes from that way, I'm gonna be shocked. Okay, the sun is glaring, but there should. Oh, sorry for the sun glare. Oh yeah, it's coming. Yeah, it's coming. Oh, I'm kind of excited. Yeah, here it comes. It is a Norfolk Southern train. And there you go, folks. That was 2 freight trains right there. Alright, since those are the only 2 I know of right now, I'm going to end the video here, and I might pick up if I see any more freight trains. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Okay. So, as I was leaving, oh sorry, I'm out of breath. Another train was coming. So we're gonna wait for it to come. If another one comes from that way, that'll be my lucky day. Yeah, I see the light. I see the lights for the train. I hope it's a slow one because I want to know. Well, actually, no, not that I want to know. That I want to get a really, really long train. It's my lucky day. There's another train coming from that way. Okay, so we're gonna wait for that one, and we're gonna get this one on camera. So this is gonna be a long video. I'm gonna have to make it in 2 parts. Actually, here comes the first one. It might be a CSX train or a Norfolk Southern train. I'm not really too sure. Man, I wish it was summertime, so I'd have more time to do this. I want to see if I can get the driver to honk at me. Oh wait, no, actually no, that's not another train coming from that north. It's a It's the light signal for the trains coming. Alright. Here's coming. I can see the lights. I'm not sure if you guys can. Okay, I believe that's a CSX train. Oh, it's going slow too. Is that going slow or fast? I can't really tell. Oh no, it's a Norfolk Southern train. No, never mind. It's a CSX. So there we have it. There we have three freight trains on camera. Alright. So see you all in the next video. I would highly recommend going to Oak Ridge Park. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.